What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home Product and Review channel, and today we are going to review this sprinkler system that we got from Amazon. It looks nice. So here you have the top part, you have the different modes. Okay. Large, mist, everybody know the mist, the fan, flat, multi, large. All right, you can put it on what number you want it on. All right, so we're going to test that. We're going to test that when we bring it out. So basically here, this looks like a filter. Turn it right there. You see the threads? This is supposed to go on the top like that. Right turn. Righty tighty. Let me back it up just a little bit so y'all can see. Alright. That's as tight as I could get it right now. It got these little hooks. You could put like an adjustable wrench if you want to tighten it some more. So we'll check on the tightness. Now, you have the part where the water hose go in, and then you have another part if you want to do your own like irrigation system. You could buy, I'll put a link in the description as usual, but this is a good price. So if you want to do your own irrigation system, just like how I did, this is how I showed y'all a product, the multimeter product that I had before. And in the bag right here is extra attachments. Let me see. Let's open this bag. All right. This is a quick connect. All these are quick connects. So let's see. If you want to put that in there, lock it in. This is the instructions. I like that, it's in color. Actually, these are pretty cool instructions. All right, it shows you everything it shoots out. So let's test this thing out and then get a better look at it. Okay, everybody, we out here with the Eden. And I was doing more reading on the quick connect. The quick connect is basically for your water hose. So, all right, we got the head. We're gonna turn it on. Righty tighty. Now, I don't know if you know the PSI in your house, in your home, but right here it tells you the PSI. So for 40 PSI, the radius of spray, so radius is, the coverage, your circle. You get 39 foot for a large. If you put it on multi, it's 37 foot, and then flat 29 foot, and if it's on fan, it says 27 foot. So it tells you the square footage. So large is 4,860 square foot. The multi is 4,470 square foot. Flat is 2730, and fan is 2440. Okay, now they got it on here where you could hook it up to a tripod. So I guess on their site you got to where you could hook it on a tripod. So they must got different type of things. I'm gonna check it out. For this price, it ain't bad, especially to cover a radius of 4,800 square foot. So we got our hose. And we're gonna turn it on there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on lightly. I'm gonna turn it on lightly so I know where it's spraying at on the startup. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I put it on full power right now. See the rainbow? I don't know if y'all can see the rainbow, but everybody thinks that's cool when you can see the rainbow through the sprinkler. So right now, this do good coverage, as y'all can see. And it's getting, for me, it's doing over 30, I think it was 39 foot. Well, it's doing over that. It's actually hitting all the way over here to me. I even got my ruler over here. See, it's hitting my whole porch, my whole patio. Now I have my measuring tape right there. That's a 25 foot. So it's hitting at least, yeah, I guess so. 30 something foot. So it's doing good coverage. Right now I'm gonna put it in the middle of the lawn. The coolest sprinkler I have ever purchased. So right now I lowered the distance by lowering this knob right here. Let me back out. When I lowered this knob, it lowered the distance of it. When I raise it, it raised it all the way up and it hits the deck. You lower it, the lower the water goes. So if you want to go out and almost hit the neighbor's fence, it almost hits it right there. And right now I got it in radius mode, where it's going all the way around. So instead of hitting all the way to the top of the deck, it's hitting all the grass area. All you have to do is just turn it up to its sweet spot. Now I don't want to water the forest back there. The forest don't need water, but right now it's going all the way around. And it's hitting my garden area. Right now it's hitting my grass right there on that side. And it's hitting almost the neighbor's fence. It stopped. Now it's going back around. So yeah, that's pretty good. So right there is basically your distance that you want to keep it in. I didn't put it in mist. That's mist. If you want to mist out stuff, that's the fan mode. Okay. What's next? Flat. So basically it's a flat mode on it. Everything is out flat. Seems like it's doing pretty good coverage with this. This is just if you want to do like a light mist on like plants or something. All right, where am I at? All right, we got fan. All right, that's mist right there. And then I won't get wet everywhere. All right, then you got large mode, which is very powerful. But you get a lot more coverage. So like I said, up to 40, I don't know where I put the instructions at, but all right, now it's going all the way around, then it's going to click again back on this side. So that's pretty cool. All right, y'all, that is the Eden, and I hope that this review did y'all some type of justice or some type of good to make a decision, because this is very nice, and to implement this in your in your irrigation program will be pretty cool. Sorry. I said sorry. All right, headed back to the fence. Okay, y'all. So if I find out any more about this, I'll let y'all know. I'm about to get hit. Like, comment, and subscribe.